friends, today we will learn a very simple and easy way to change the wall color in Photoshop. So let's jump into the video. Start by making a duplicate of your layer. Right click and choose duplicate layer. You can even press Ctrl or Command J. From the toolbar, select polygonal lasso tool. You can select the wall by using any tool, but here, as we have fine edges, we will select it with polygonal lasso tool. Click a point and keep on drawing the selection. You can press delete in Mac or backspace to go a step backward. When you reach the end point, it automatically creates a selection area. Now, go to the adjustment layer and choose solid color. Choose the color you want. Hit OK. Now, double click on the layer or right click and choose blending options. Here, change the blend mode to multiply. Move this layer slider towards right. To break this point, click Alt or Option. This will create a smoother transition. When you are satisfied, hit OK. If you want to add on to the selection, with the color layer active, make another selection. Go to the mask of the color layer. Now with white as the foreground color, paint on the mask. And that's how you can change the wall color as per your wish. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.